Okay, so about the yin-yang symbol.
The yin-yang symbol is the first separation of God, when God separated the light water from the dark water. So you have light energy and dark energy because that's what science calls it. But since humanity and science also have particle wave duality, and if you haven't heard about that, you should look it up. It's a quarter of a millennium years old. The double slit experiment, happened 250 years ago. So it's not brand new thing. Quantum computing is not brand new thing. The machines are new, the ideas are not. So we have whole light, whole God, and then God is split up into light water and dark water, which can be represented by the yin yang symbol. But the yin yang symbol is a photograph of stop motion photography, like stopped. So what's happening is the dark is turning into light and the light is turning into dark and time is turning over. And that's why in mathematics we have that kink in the absolute value, or we have the hole in the calculus graph of the jump discontinuity. We have imaginary versus real numbers. And so in order to get into the kink, it's the distinction between your regular meatbag brain and your gut brain intelligence, or your natural instinct, that part of your soul that was present with you during your own embryogenesis. So there it is there. From light energy and dark energy, when you flip over, we get particle wave duality right at that moment, because that yin yang symbol is always in motion. And so when that happens, we get light particle and light wave, and a dark light particle and a dark light wave, and then that's it. Those four fundamental pieces of whole light make up the standard model of particle physics. The standard model of particle physics makes the periodic table of the elements. The periodic table of the elements makes all of us. So in order to go from quantum light through classical meatbag reality up into quantum cosmology, you have to break the circle in half, and it's actually into thirds. And so it's sine on one side, tangent reality at the moment of now, and cosine once the arrow passes. And then that's it. That's whole God.
The whole God is darkness and light combined.
And there's 2/3 of dark energy and 1/3 light energy, which means when gut brain, there's just sheer more numbers of gut brain than there are like people and animals to for them to be symbiotic life with. And so that's where the story comes. You have made me greater than all in number of all the man, and da 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 da. But you have been subject to me, to a man. Like, get in my belly. So all those horror stories is just gut brain karma playing out.
Is
So
that where the Medea script came from, where she's like, get in my belly, food, food? Is that
yeah.
where you got it from?